Ever wondered how to make your YouTube Shorts go viral and skyrocket your online presence? YouTube Shorts play a vital role in building a robust online presence. A viral short can supercharge your channel's visibility, attracting a wider audience. Well, you're in the right place, as we will unveil the secrets to making your YouTube Shorts go viral. Know your audience. It's the golden rule of any content creation journey. Understanding their tastes, their likes and dislikes is crucial. It allows you to craft content that truly resonates, skyrocketing your chances of going viral. When you create content that your audience loves, they share, and voila, you're on your way to viral fame. Remember, it's not about how much you create, but what you create. A meticulously crafted short video brimming with high production values holds a greater potential to draw in viewers and go viral than a hastily assembled one. Invest time in creating quality content, and it will pay off. Engagement is key. Your audience is more than a view count. It's crucial to interact with them via comments, likes, and shares. This not only strengthens your connection, but also boosts your video's visibility, increasing its viral potential. Engage with your audience, and they'll help your content reach new heights. Consistency can be your game changer. Regularly posting content keeps your viewers hooked and heightens anticipation for your next piece. This constant interaction not only maintains audience interest, but can also boost your chances of going viral. Stay consistent, keep your audience engaged, and watch your YouTube Shorts go viral. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. To make your YouTube Shorts go viral, it's essential to understand your audience, know what they love, and deliver it to them. Prioritize quality over quantity. A well-crafted short can leave a more lasting impression than numerous subpar ones. Engage with your audience. Their feedback is a goldmine of insights. And remember, consistency is key. Keep posting regularly. With these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to making your YouTube Shorts go viral. Good luck.